Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie Tips and Tricks. We all have too many condiments and often we might use them once in a while. That's why I like making them from scratch as I measure what I need for a recipe. Homemade balsamic glaze is one of them. It's quick and easy to make, plus I don't have another bottle sitting on the shelf. So let's get cooking. In a small saucepan over medium heat, we'll add balsamic vinegar. I have half a cup here, and a couple tablespoons of brown sugar. We'll stir until the sugar is dissolved and then bring the mixture to a boil. When it gets there, we'll reduce to medium-low and let it simmer for 20 minutes or until the glaze has reduced by half, which is a quarter cup, and coats the back of a spoon. We'll remove from the heat and let it cool before using it. I'm about to drizzle the balsamic glaze over caprese skewers, and to add some oomph to it, I'll add a little bit of cayenne pepper and whisk it. There are more suggestions on the blog, so check it out. For any leftovers, put it in a container, cover, and transfer to the fridge. As you saw in this video, it's uncomplicated, plus you can make the amount you need. I hope you enjoyed tips and tricks of the day, and for many more, including recipes, visit clubfoodie.com. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!